Well, LinkedIn's gone off and done it again. They made a change to the system that is forcing me to make a change to my recommendations to you. Look, a while back, I made the recommendation that you may want to not clutter up this space up here so people can read your headline and really focus in on what you're saying there. Because in the past, this text right here, this 200, upwards of 220 characters, would stretch out all the way across. And I thought it looked really pretty good. And again, allowed the viewer to focus in on that and not get distracted with the name of the company you work for and or the name of the school you went to. So I said, take it off, which is pretty easy to do. You hit this pencil right here and you come down here and here's current position, show in my intro, and here's education, show in my intro, and it would show up right here. Now, unfortunately, LinkedIn's made a change to the system. And by the way, I've tested this on a bunch of other profiles. Here's a lady named Irene, and it's the same thing. She doesn't have her information, and this definitely would stretch out over there. And there's another lady named Dana McSwain, who I know. She also doesn't have that information up here. And again, her profile headline would stretch out all the way across as well. However, because LinkedIn has made this change, and if you don't have your current company and or your current school listed there, you just got a big old hunk of blank space. So therefore, my recommendation, let's go ahead and put it back on your LinkedIn profile intro card. Hey, I'm Teddy. My goal is to pay attention, even though I am not using LinkedIn for business anymore. But when I find things that are worthy of sharing with you, I'm going to do it. Have a great day.